What do the next few days hold for anyone with XRP, their Q3 report coming out, and how much XRP is still under Ripple's control? We're going to be breaking down some of the key things going on, as well as taking a look at a price prediction for November that you definitely want to see. All of that in this video, so hit that like and subscribe button for all your daily content in the cryptocurrency market and to make sure that you maximize your profits in this bull market. With that being said, let's get into the video. So Ripple releasing their third quarter report. We talked a little bit about this yesterday, but not too much around the actual fundamentals that's in it. But it's a very interesting report. And a couple of things really stood out to me. Moreover, that they absolutely confirmed XRP is not to be classified as a security. Many people get this confused. All of the litigation that's still going on with the SEC and XRP is simply through secondary sales. It's nothing to do with whether it's a security or not, but fundamentally, it is all about those secondary scales and how much money the SEC can claim. Now, all of that may change in less than 48 hours. If there is a new president elected, Gary Gensler may be finished. He may be over, and we may actually get a pro-cryptocurrency SEC director very shortly afterwards. This could be bullish not only for the market, but for the wider crypto space as well. So what does it look like in terms of Ripple and how much do they hold? I guess their financial snapshot. This was taken as of 30th of June, 2024. They currently hold 4.6 billion XRP, and under custody in the ledger is about 39.5. As of September 30th, 2024, they currently have 4.4 billion and 38.9 billion under the ledger. So a reduction in XRP. Now, this isn't because it's gone anywhere. We know that some was donated through the Chris Larsen and Kamala Harris efforts, as well as a few other bits. But I guess not the biggest reduction in the world, but still a reduction. And don't forget, XRP is a deflationary coin. Many people still forget that happens. It's not the biggest deflationary coin, but it is important. And I think what we've also got and what we've had recently is build outs for the XRPL. We talked about how important some of the AMM work that was going on there and how this can drive liquidity to the market, branch out into financial sectors, and more importantly, become a real use case and somewhere that people want to go. Now, there is a further build out. Now, this is pretty insane. This could be a huge step in the right direction. And in fact, for the project I'm building, we are looking at Oracle systems as well, because they are absolutely fantastic in terms of servicing feeds and information all through the blockchain. And here we are on XRPL talking about the same thing. So the XRPL price Oracle is intended to store pricing information about asset pairs that exist outside of the XRP ledger, allowing smart contracts that rely on the XRP ledger to use this information. So all of a sudden, the XRPL becomes this breadth of information that can be pulled from many different corners of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It says the XRPL Oracle pricing amendment is live, now integrating band protocol and DIA data. XRPL's native oracles provide secure, real-time data for key DeFi features like the AMM and lending protocols. This marks a major leap forward for institutional grade DeFi. Now, the key bit here is this. Lending protocols built with smart contracts using XRPL, but giving you real-time data. Think about who needs that. Financial markets are critical to have most up-to-date and accurate pricing. This is obviously a big deal. And the fact that it can be used with decentralized apps and allows the access to these is huge, all sat still on the blockchain. So this is another massive upgrade when it comes to XRPL, and there is a ton more. Bringing secure, efficient means bridging real-world data onto the given blockchain system or smart contracts. And actually, I think we're going to see this massive build-out of smart contracts on XRPL. We kind of already see it with the DeFi and meme coin space, but I absolutely expect to see it even more. And that's why people are still incredibly bullish on XRPL. Yes, you would argue and say the price is pretty flat. We know that. Bitcoin itself having a pretty rough ride over the last 48 hours, but expert trader Altcoin Mo has given a realistic price target for XRP and could suggest an increase of 870%. Now, there's a couple of things. We need to break out between this kind of 51 to 53 cent range as Bitcoin continues to rally and the wider market to move. Remember, 2.28 trillion. We're looking at a $6 to $7 trillion market cap, but what does he predict us as a realistic target? Well, the reality is we sit around 150 and 130. I think that's a little bit bearish for Bitcoin. But when we start thinking about what does that look for in terms of XRP, well, there's an absolute potential that we could see this move. And we could see a $5, maybe even a little bit more. And actually, to reach $5, that would be an 876% increase. Now, people may say, well, 2-bit, that's pretty wild. The reality is, though, given how much money is going to flow in, and it's only going to take one big institutional bank or a pension fund or anything with big pockets to come in and the price is going to skyrocket. And I think we're all pretty hopeful for that. Take a look at the price action. As always, we head nearer to that election in literally less than 48 hours, holding up today around 50 cent mark, still trading just within this channel. I would like to see it start to push up. The problem we have a little bit here on the short term is we are printing lower lows, which is definitely not what we want to see. This is in a downtrend, albeit on a slight macro side. We're still using this bottom line as support, as opposed to it being resistance that was here and here. But we do need to see a little bit of upside movement. We'll see what happens. There is an unlock coming, 470 million XRP tokens. We'll see what happens with that. Hopefully a lot's re-locked and we can move on. And again, the SEC case, fingers crossed, could come to the end in less than 2 days. Could it all simply get thrown out by a potential new president? Quite possibly, but let me know. As always, what you think in the comments down below. What do you think of XRPL? It's AMM, and now the integration of smart contracts on those protocols, absolutely huge. I truly believe XRPL is going to shock many people this bull market. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. See you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.